Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2010 Yamaha VStar 650 Custom. Really cool black paint scheme. It's got only 3,400 miles, floorboards, engine guards, windscreen. It's got a passenger and a rider backrest. Brand new tires. Come on by. Make your lightweight twin cylinder cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous VStar 650 Custom. Shaft drive, so no chain to mess with. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Nice and light, easy to handle. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.